Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It's Wellness Wednesday and I thought I'd pop on here real quick to do a quick little meditation session with you. It'll just take a minute. I'm going to use my handy dandy ohm bowl to come along with the ride. So here we go. Everybody get comfortable. You can close your eyes or you can keep them open and just gaze to something and just listen to your breath. Just feel where it's coming in, where it's coming out. Go through the nose, out the mouth. Just sit comfortably wherever you are. Okay, we're going to get started. There you go. I hope that was relaxing. That's it, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great week. Namaste.